Hey, I'm on the Webwinkel Vakdagen at this moment, together with Sarah Longour of Klaviyo. And Sarah, I have only one question for you. If you had a web shop and you would like to grow that web shop in 2023, what would you do?
Okay, so I would probably do three things. The first thing, I would have all my customer data in one place, so I have a unified customer profile. Once I have all this data in one place, I would actually use it, activate it through segments, email, SMS, you name it. And the last thing is, if I own this customer data as well, I would use it in advertising platforms in order to get just better profiles to target online. Yeah.
Super cool and super concrete. So we actually 3 tips, extra value for the viewer. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.